The first step is to put your 2 liquid glue bottles into your container. Now put drops of food coloring all over your glue. For this one we chose blue, but you can choose any food coloring you want. Now it's time to put that shaving cream on. Spray it all around your glue and food coloring. Once you have added all your shaving cream, then mix it all together. The next step is to put a few drops of contact solution. This will make it not as sticky. Now mix it all together. Now here is your fluffy slime. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a like.